What I love about being part of the Winterholler family dentistry is being a part of top-tier quality service, that we're at the leading edge of technology with everything that we're doing. We come from a place of honesty and high-quality, gentle care. What I love about being a dentist is providing care that changes people's lives, making it so that they can smile again, that they can feel comfortable with their teeth. At our office, we want to try and create a place where people want to come, where they're not frightened, where they know that they're going to get the best care, a place where people are comfortable to go, where we can make them feel comfortable and safe. Patient care is paramount in our treatment. Me being able to provide that care at the highest quality and comfort is the most important. What I want my patients to know about me is that I want to create a place where we provide high quality, gentle dental care so that they feel comfortable and safe. And that's what we do here at Winterholler Dentistry.